Guys, welcome to another video, and on this video I am washing my duvet. This is the first time I'm washing it. So I bought a washing machine recently. It's been a month, I'd say, and it's been doing quite an amazing job with our laundry. We are a family of 4: myself, Reese's dad, Reese, and auntie who takes care of Reese. So the machine has done quite a decent job, and let's see if it can wash this duvet. So this machine is a 9 kg Hisense fully automatic machine, and I love it. I love it, guys. If I'm being honest, my review is that it's quite a good machine, and it's not so, you don't have to go deep into your pockets to actually buy it. It's an affordable machine and does a very good job. It has the steam option, so you do not have to worry about having to steam your towels. Yes, it is easy. I'll give you guys a full machine review and a full how to use tutorial for this machine. Yes, until then, do stay tuned, do subscribe, and if you like even more content related to this, do subscribe and stay tuned. Dry on the hanging line, and now it's ready. It's now fluffy, it is clean, it smells fresh, and my bed is a total mess. I have a trip. I'm supposed to be traveling on this particular morning, so this is the duvet we used the previous night, my older duvet. Yeah, my previous duvet, or my older, whichever. So it's the one I used the previous night. So let's make this bed. I have a son, a toddler, who terrorizes me all the time. That is why his football is on my bed. There he is, such a bundle of joy. Or is he? Anyway, let us clean this room and pack for a trip to Meru. Guys, I'll be sharing tips on how to maintain your white beddings, white towels, and everything in between. So I use a mattress cover on top of my mattress before the bed sheet. It just keeps the mattress clean. It's a hack I'd recommend. So buy a mattress cover and then the bed sheet on top of the cover. You'll notice I have a theme. So my bedroom, my whole house, literally, the theme is black, white, and gray. Yeah, those are my theme colors, and those are the colors I am planning to go with for the whole house, except Reese's room, where we're going to go with blue. So I hope you guys stay tuned for the transformation, especially for this bedroom. I am very enthusiastic about this one, and I am hoping by the time we get to February or April, this room is done. A chandelier there, a painting over there, some rug on the floor, and yes, so this is the room. These are the drawers. Upper kwa drawers, tulichezwa. These are too small. They're actually way too small, very small. Look at that, they don't even reach the roof. Oh God, but I am managing. I was already used to the big wardrobes I had in the previous house. Anyway, let me pack for my trip. It's just a one night trip. That's a 2-day trip. Yeah, so the traveling date, the night, and then the D-day, and then I'll be back to Nairobi the same evening. So yes, that's it. For a 1-day trip, I'm only going to pack the essentials: a sweater, clothes for the day, and yeah, basically that's just it. It's just one bag, a few shoes, and yeah, I am done. I do not have that much to pack because it's for a day, and I like to travel light. I learned to travel light, where sometimes we carry a lot of things that we do not need. Only carry things you need. I will tell you this repeatedly. Carry your hair products, your makeup, your skincare, your clothes, your panties, and that's just about eat. Forget your identification cards, your bank account cards. Those are very essential, especially if you're checking into a hotel like I am. Carry your ID. Yeah, and this is the hotel entrance. This is the hotel reception. The staff are quite friendly and are really nice. So they serve you a glass of juice as you wait for services, as you check in, fill in the form and all that. Like I said, do carry your ID when you visit a hotel, otherwise you'll have a really hard time checking in. So this shelf caught my eye and I am in love. I am in love. Wow. So this is the entryway to our room. We booked room 105. And here is a tour. So to get in, you swipe the card. Not all hotels come with this, but this one did. So you insert the card inside one of the sockets for power. Otherwise, you will have to stay in the dark. You're provided with a laundry basket for your dirty clothes. So if you're staying longer than I am, you can use the laundry basket to put on your clothes. And you have a disclaimer over there. You are not allowed to carry anything outside the room. So this is a mirror. I want such a huge mirror in my room. Manifesting. Anyway, so this is the washroom. It was quite spacious, literally big. And God, when I'm making my final home, my forever home, we will have this. A big ass bathroom. Here is a makeup mirror for you, so that you do not leave the room looking like you wanna look, but looking exceptionally pretty and gorgeous. Here is a room tour. Here is the bed, and it was quite big. It's a 5x6 bed that will serve two quite well. Yeah, this was the door to the balcony. I couldn't get it open, so maybe I'll just show you a tour of it from my room, and that's what it looked like. The Christmas trees in this hotel looked quite nice. Here are some lights for your view at night, and it's already morning. Damn. My stay was short and sweet, but I sure did enjoy this hotel. So we had already taken supper, so we didn't have dinner at this hotel, but we are definitely getting breakfast. So I am going to ask you, here is my dress for the day. I can't see it clearly because the room is quite dark and I did not carry a ring light. So here is the balcony during the day, and downstairs, that is the entryway to the restaurant, and we are here for breakfast. Look at that. The restaurant is quite nice. They had a wide range, a variety of foods for breakfast, and trust me, you will be spoiled for choice. There was absolutely everything: fruits, porridge, yogurt, juice, everything you require for breakfast. And this is what we had. We were a group of 4 and we enjoyed our day. Subscribe for more.